or North Carolina. And even then, there's faster ways to get there than here. That's a lot of gravel in that turn. So we're at the end right now. And we're going to make a left-hand turn and we're going to head up to Highlands, North Carolina. If we'd have taken a right, it would have taken us down to Walhalla, South Carolina. There are some pretty good restaurants in Walhalla. That's a nice destination if you're making a day trip out of this. I'd love to say that there's great restaurants in Highlands, North Carolina. I just haven't found them. I haven't found anything in Highlands where I want to eat. There's a barbecue restaurant, a smokehouse, which isn't great. Nothing amazing. I haven't found that hamburger place with a great hamburger and fries. I personally think it'd be a great location for a nice hamburger stand. Why aren't you guys here? How many times have I showed y'all videos of 28 and there's nobody on it? I'm over an hour away from those videos. I'm on 28 and there's nobody on it. Shouldn't be saying anything, because now you and your friends are going to put your bikes on trailers and come up here, clog up my road. Nah, come on, y'all, come on. We want to see you in North Carolina. You can't get here soon enough. How would you like to live in that house? Have motorcycles racing through your turn? I think that'd be cool. That would, yeah, that would be impressive. To have a house right on a turn like that. Thanks for sharing my lane. And if I haven't warned y'all enough in my videos, stay away from that yellow line. The people that live here do not know what a double yellow line means. They don't know what a solid yellow line means. They don't know what a solid white line means. This is their entitled world, and they're going to use the entire road. They pay taxes on half the road, and they're going to take their half out of the middle. So just stay away from that yellow line. Do yourself a favor. Don't come to North Carolina to visit our hospitals. We have good hospitals, but I don't want to see you in one. Now I sound like a public service announcement. All I want you to do is come ride North Carolina. Get out here more often and learn this road. I do like uphill twisty roads. I should tie today's ride in with Way a Road. How cool is it to follow a Mustang through here? Have you ever met a Mustang owner that's not a douchebag? And why do all Mustangs sound like crap?